welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Z, lawyer, YouTuber. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, now I promise you this is the video that will make you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss anything from me. I know some of you are wondering, where are people like standing outside their banks? What's happening? This is the aftermath of the new Naira design in Nigeria, and a lot of banks are saddled with a lot of things. Like, people are trying to get monies from the bank, people are trying to do things, the network isn't working, and all that. It comes with a change, it's expected. But that's not the purpose of this video today. I want to take you around the MCC road, the newly rehabilitated MCC road that was recently commissioned when His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari was in Imo State the last time. So this is the MCC road. For many of you who know this road, you know how bad it was before. So I'm just going to take you around this road. Some people asked me in the comment section to show them what this road looks like today, and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Again, the gutters are not covered, but I'll leave you to it. So to my subscriber Ogo Felix, I hope this video makes you happy, and I wish you guys the very best. Tomorrow, Nigerians are going to decide who the next president is going to be. Are we still going to get fuel at 320 while the 4 stations are writing 185 or not? Are we going to make the right decisions? Are we going to vote wisely? I pray you vote wisely and you vote your conscience. Vote for someone you're sure you can defend. Vote for someone you know is credible. Above all, vote for someone who you know has a lot at stake if he messes up. So till I come your way next time, remember to enjoy. So I'm just going to take you guys around the MCC road. This is the popular junction that takes you to Dick Tiger, Aladima, and then MCC proper. please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my very next one. Welcome to the project supervisory angle of the brand, Z On Demand. The purpose of this aspect of the brand is to bring you supervisory services and bring you to speed on the latest developments on your project. It doesn't even matter if the land is recently acquired, we can get you pictures and videos before you make your payments. This aspect of the brand is best suited for everyone, especially our clients who are in diaspora. We know how hard you work there, and it's only fair that you get your money's worth, especially when you send them to your relatives to help you acquire properties or even build for you. Gone are the days when they rip you of your money. With us, what you see is what you get. No mago. Now, all you need to do is give us a pointer, pay in full, and you get your videos in the next 48 hours.